Alright, welcome to Bridge School Galaxy. You're hanging out with your man T-Max, and in this video I'll be showing you a proven strategy on how to earn an extra $100 to $300 every month. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe and click the bell notification icon. There are different payment methods, so you don't need to worry. Irrespective of what country you are resident in, you can actually earn from this system I'm going to teach you. I'm going to actually release a full course that will guide you step by step on our website at bridgeschool.org. The full course on Bridge School Galaxy will give you a step-by-step guide on how to actually use this system to earn around $100 to $300 monthly. I'm going to jump to my phone and actually show you that this system actually works. Alright, so you can see here I'm in my mobile device, so I'm just going to scroll down to my Trust wallet. You can see here there are different payments. I hold different cryptocurrencies here, and most of which I hold in Binance, which is BNB. So I'm going to teach you how to actually earn this crypto. I'm going to teach you how to actually use this strategy to earn at least $100 to $200 monthly. So just stay tuned with me in this course. It's going to be a full course, so it's very important to register early. I'm going to show you all the strategies, all the websites, how to actually get the users, how to drive traffic, how to actually get the payment to your bank account and withdraw this payment to fiat, irrespective of what country you are. You can see here the payment methods accepted here. You can see PayPal, Payeer, Web Money, Perfect Money. You can see Cash, Trill, Neteller, Payoneer. You can see Tether, you can see Bitcoin, you can see Ethereum. This is something that would work for you irrespective of where you are resident in the world. So if you're interested in signing up for this course, you can just visit bridgeschool.org. You can see the URL and then scroll down to our courses. You should see the course somewhere around here, and these were our old courses. I've not published the courses, so stay tuned. Make sure you're one of the students. At the time of you watching this video, I should have actually put a link for you to sign up for this course. So just stay tuned, and the course will be ready for you to sign up, and I'll be giving a discount for the first 100 students that actually register for this course. And you see all the other courses we had several students signing up. You can see here like this course we had, this was how to earn an extra $1,000. Let's see how many students signed up for this course. So you can see this course here, and we had around 300 students. So you can actually sign up for this course here and get started. We'll give a discount for this new course I'm actually publishing. So see you in the next video where we'll get started in the course. So I look forward to see you in the course. Get registered, sign up for the course, and see you in the course. Bye.